The yard rack is kind of like a miniature version of the big tool rack, and it's intended more to be mounted on your garden tractor, zero-turn mower. You can actually put it on the back of your tractor if you've got a regular normal 2-inch receiver, because that's how it attaches. And similar to the big tool rack, it's got a lot of different spots, so you can put your string trimmer, your shovels, your garden tools. It's got an area to carry things in. It's a handy looking piece of equipment, and I'm looking forward to the summertime when I can use it and try it out. It's intended to go on the back of your lawn tractor, your zero-turn. Carries all your gardening tools when you're mowing the lawn and looking after all your gardens. It looks like it might be a handy tool, place to put your chainsaw, your hatchet, your chains, and there's also a little carrying area where you can throw some wood. It comes with all the hardware you need, including a 2-inch mount to bolt to the back of your lawn tractor, your garden tractor, or your zero-turn. Holds about 75 pounds of material, and I can see that it's pretty handy to throw in the back of your garden tractor, carry around your potting soil, your fertilizer, some of your garden tools as you're going around the property if you have a smaller property, whether you're carrying a string trimmer or a hedge trimmer, soil, your chainsaw, shovels, rakes, etc. You've got something that you can carry on the back of your lawn tractor or your zero-turn so that when you're out on the property, you don't have to make multiple visits back to the garage.